Jeff from Daniel, Utah has a question about pooling water.
Well, Len, let's put the picture up here because the problem is right here between his neighbor's yard and his. It's not real clear to see, but the thing about Utah is you get those kind of valleys. My sister and my mother live out there, and I see this kind of thing all the time. Yeah. Jeff writes, when we run our sprinklers, the ponding grows. If we quit, our grass dries out. So clearly, Tom, he's looking for a happy medium. Anyway, the problem is the landscaper who installed both our lawns failed to adequately grade our properties. My neighbor's friend, he's a geologist, suggests that we could drill a hole straight down to find gravel and put in a French drain to follow the water to be sent into the gravel layer, he says, that should be there. I wonder if the grade is different enough for the pooling to the sidewalk anyway.
The answer is in the question.
Uh-oh.
He says the landscaper didn't grade it properly. Number one, a geologist should not be telling you how to drain your property. I'm sorry. I'm sure he's a wonderful person, but drilling down to find gravel, 1,000 feet. No, don't. Who knows what you're going to take up?
I don't think they'd have to go 1,000 feet, but I see
know,
your point.
But you're going
to have to go through the topsoil and the dirt under that before. Yeah, I get it.
I know, and then you got to grade to the hole that you drilled, or it's just going to go away from the hole. So you got some issues. The bottom line is this: you need a landscaper who can complete the job properly and regrade it, because you always want to move surface water. I don't care where you are. You want to move surface water as quickly as you can away. And if you don't think we know about that in Houston, we do. If we don't move that water fast, we are swimming out with the snakes and the alligators. So I'm telling you, get a good landscaper, grade it. Don't start drilling holes into the ground unless you're looking for oil.
And the possums.
Ooh.
All right. So
Okay.
So what I hear you saying is he needs less a landscaper than a licensed irrigator who knows what they're doing and how water runs, because water's like a teenager; it'll go where it wants.
That's right. And when you say licensed irrigator, I know in Texas we have them, but in Utah, I don't know what the regulations are, so I'm not going to throw it in this question. But you want a landscaper that's going to complete the job. When you said the landscaper didn't really complete the job. He did one yard, he did another yard, but he didn't put it together where it worked. That was the answer to your question. You need someone to finish the job.
They need a busy bee to come out there and figure. I say that because the state symbol of Utah is the beehive. And so they need a little bee. They got to get there and get busy like a bee and get that thing fixed.
Okay.
Yes, it's Geography Trivia Week here at HomeShowRadio.
I like bees.
You got a question? Well, be quiet while I do this, would you? You got a question, visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form, send it in. We'd appreciate your question. We'll help you out with a video like this. We post a new one every day, and we put them everywhere on our Facebook page, our website, and our YouTube channel. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay, and you click the bell, you'll know when we post a new one. And if you like it, click the little thumbs up. That really helps us out.